This is actually a cabinet or drawer liner that I used, and I'm going to take that and wrap it around there. So, and then you can always find these in different colors. It's just something that I had, not necessarily what I would have wanted, and I wanted mine to look like the wall art that I just made for the bathroom. So that's kind of like the design that I was going with. So if it was your bathroom, get something that they'll fit in good with it. So, and then on the back of that, there's like this little grid. So just kind of use that. And for the cardboard, it probably was, you need over like 4 inches in width just to get it to wrap around there, which is, it was actually kind of fatter than or thicker than what I thought it would be. Yeah, see, look, the first time I did it, it did not cover it. And I'm not doing it perfect. I'm not going through getting out all the wrinkles. This kind of was like a test run just to get it, see if I can do it. And I mean, that's what DIY is, just something you do it yourself. You have to have practice. Okay, so that one right there is going to be big enough. So just go ahead and wrap that around it. Get it as straight as you can, but mine was far from perfect. As you can see, the little buckles in it, it was far from perfect. And I would have preferred to probably have a black, but it didn't throw my bathroom. This color didn't throw my bathroom off too bad. It didn't just stick out like a sore thumb. It fits right in there. And right now, this is like real time. It's sped up a little bit. So, but it probably didn't take me no longer than 30 minutes from beginning to end to complete this. Especially for something that I will use. So I just stuck a little hot glue in the bottom of this tray that I got from the Dollar Tree to hold it. But when I did it, I realized that this was definitely going to need some reinforcement to stand up and to stay in there. So I just used one of these single trays for a base. And this is actually the same design of the tray that I used to make that. If you look in the left corner, that wall art, that's the same trays, except those came in 3s. So that's the reason that I chose to use this for my base for the toilet paper stand. So here I was just trying to think of a way that I can reinforce, the stand to stand up. So I end up cutting up some foam board. And I'm going to glue it down on all sides. And here I simply was just going with the flow on this. This is my first one. Probably next time I do it, it'll be better because you've tried it before, so you'll know what not to do. You'll have an idea of what you like, what you didn't like. Here I'm just cutting 3 more pieces of foam board down to this about the same shape and size and width. Here I'm putting in some white rocks I also bought from the Dollar Tree. And I'm adding those in to kind of stabilize the toilet paper stand, give it a little bit of weight. And this actually did the trick. This actually did the trick. So I just put those in there. And then I resumed going ahead and gluing down the foam board around it. And I wanted that foam board to, remember, to help make it stand up straight. And I love doing these DIYs. I love doing them because after you make something yourself, I don't care how simple it is, you just love to look at it. I don't know what it is, but when you make something yourself and you know that you took the time out and it came from your own hands, I don't care how simple looking it is, it will be your favorite because you made it. So even when I look at this little simple toilet paper holder, I love looking at it because it's something I made. I love looking at the wall art. It's something I made with my own two hands. And doing little projects like this it helps you grow and like move on to bigger projects. At least that's what I'm noticing so far. I've been wanting to do this DIY thing for a minute now. So now I'm just taking some glitter strips that I bought at the Dollar Tree as well. Those are $1. The tray was $1. And for the trays, it was 4 for $1. And they come in a pack. So you get 4 of those trays for $1. You get that sparkle bling, whatever they call it. It's in the arts and crafts section. You get that for $1. The cardboard holders, of course, is from some leftover paper towel. So technically they're free, but you will need 2 of them. So $2 if you don't have any already. And the glue, once you buy a glue gun and the glue sticks, you will always have glue sticks. And the rocks I already had left over from the wall art project, so I'm just getting more bang for my buck by doing something else with them. But those are also $1. So you can go in and do this for no more than $5 or $6. And that's with the cardboard. That's with the cardboard. Take that away, you got $3. And you could put anything in the bottom to kind of stabilize it. Then the rocks, maybe you got some bigger rocks. Maybe you go outside or you got a beach or something, throw a couple of those stones up in there. Just get creative, think of something. But add weight. So I just went on ahead and glued that all around it. And at the top, you can even add some rocks through there. So I put some rocks through there to help stabilize it as well and give it a little bit more weight. You got a tissue holder. Look at it. And then at the end, I put a little flower at the top from the Dollar Tree as well, from some leftover flowers that I had. And once again, it just went with what I already had. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.